ما الصفات التي وصف الله بها عباده المحسنين? What qualities did Allah Rabbul Izzah describe his righteous servants with? These qualities, my brothers and sisters, are also part of the tools to know oneself. Maybe you are improving or you are not improving. Maybe you are becoming a righteous person or you are not. My brothers and sisters, I am here to tell you some of that qualities. One of it, according to the tafsir of this particular verse, is Ita'uz Zakat. Ita'uz Zakat lil fuqara'i wal masakin. Giving alms, giving charity, lil fuqara, to the poor, the destitute, wal masakin, and the needy. Secondly, one of the tools to measure ourselves, my brothers and sisters, it is al iman bil yawm al akhir, that is yawm al ba'th, believing in afterlife, believing in the fact that a day is coming when we are going to be resurrected. So resurrection is real. Don't be among those who believe that after they've achieved everything in this world, nothing more other than to go and rest in peace. Rest in peace, subhanallah. There is no one who is going to rest in peace except those people who believe that after they died, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will resurrect them, will raise them, and He will hold them accountable for everything they have done in life. Brothers and sisters, lastly, the quality of righteous servant I am going to mention is iqamatu salati wal hirsu ala adaiha fi mawa'idiha al muhaddada. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He commanded us that we should pray at its fixed time. We should pray at the fixed time. Those people who are going to be among those Allah loves by giving the title the righteous ones are those who observe as-salah at the right time. So when it comes to praying, we must always be watchful over the time. So when it is time for Salatul Zuhur, pray it. When it is time for Asr, pray it. It is not advisable and it is not pleasing enough to say you are going to join Zuhur, Asr, Maghrib and Isha together before going to bed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has given certain times fixed for each Salat. So Salatul Zuhur, you already know the time it should be prayed. So Allah tells you that inna salata kanat ala al-mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Mawqutan is what I want to translate to you. It is a compulsory that has been scheduled for a specific time. So endeavor to be watchful over the time Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fixed for each salah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and me and accept everything we do in life of good deeds as act of ibadah. Ameen. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.